Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Aksar Education. In this video we are going to discuss chapter number 4 class 9, that is linear equation in two variable. Today's our topic is linear equations in two variable. Linear equation in two variables. So here the word linear is familiar to us. In our second chapter we have discussed different types of polynomials based on their degree. So in that topic we have discussed the polynomial with degree 1 is known as linear polynomial, and the standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, and condition is a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. So here what is a and b? A and b are real numbers. In this linear polynomial, a and b are real numbers. Real numbers, where a is the real number which is coefficient of variable x. What is a? A is the coefficient of variable x. X is our variable. This is the standard form of linear polynomial. Polynomial of variable x, and a and b are real numbers where a is the coefficient of variable x and b is constant term. Clear students? So if we compare this polynomial with 0, so if you are taking p of x equal to 0, so we are getting ax plus b equal to 0. So this is nothing but the linear equation. This is one linear equation in variable x. So this is linear equation in one variable. Standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. So if we compare that linear polynomial with 0, so we are getting one linear equation in one variable. One variable is variable x. So this type of equations we have studied in your standard 8. Linear equation in one variable, and find the solution of this linear equation in one variable. So what is the solution? Solution is nothing but the value of the x which satisfies the given equation. What is the solution of this linear equation in one variable? Solution is nothing but the value of the x, value of variable x which satisfy given equation. So value of the x which satisfies this linear equation is known as solution of this linear equation in variable x. So we can find the solution of this linear equation. So here, to find the value of the x, we are taking this plus b on the right hand side, so we are getting minus b, and taking this a which is in multiplication into division. So this is the value of the x, minus b by a. This is the solution of linear equation. Solution of this given linear equation. So can we get any other value apart from this minus b by a for this linear equation? No. So for any linear equation in variable x, that means linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Any linear equation in one variable has unique solution. So linear equation in one variable has one and only one solution. One and only one solution means it has always unique solution. Only one value of the x is there which satisfies this given equation. Clear students? So this is linear equation in one variable that we have studied in our standard 8. In this chapter we have to discuss linear equations in two variable. Now first question, why these equations are known as linear equation? So this is one polynomial linear polynomial. So at that time we have discussed that the degree of the variable x is always 1. Here the variable is x and whose power is 1. Maximum power of variable x is 1. So maximum power of variable x is 1, and that's why this polynomial is known as linear polynomial. So if we compare this polynomial with 0, we are getting that equation, and that equation is nothing but the linear equation. So in case of linear equation, the variable must have only one power. This is the linear equation of variable x, and that's why in this equation the maximum power of variable x is 1. Clear, students? And that's why this is known as linear equation. Now we have to study linear equations in two variables. So instead of variable x, now we have to consider two variables. So we are taking that two variables as a x and y. We are taking two variables which are x and y, and we have to consider only one power of that variable. So now I am writing the standard form of linear equation in two variable. This is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Clear, students? So now general form, or we can say standard form of linear equation in two variables. So here you are considering two variables x and y. So it's ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here two variables are there, x and y, and a, b, c are the real numbers, and value of a and b must not be 0 simultaneously. Value of a and b must not be 0 simultaneously. That means a और b की वैल्यू एक साथ में 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. Done? So here that condition can be written as a square plus b square is not equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this a square plus b square not equal to 0? Value of a and b must not be 0 simultaneously. What is a? A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. And what is c? C is constant term. Maximum 3 terms are there for the linear equation in two variable, and for the linear equation in one variable maximum 2 terms are there. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where value of a and b must not be equal to 0 simultaneously. Why? So if we take suppose a equal to 0, b equal to 0, and suppose c equal to minus 4. So can we write any equation? So it's a 0x 0 0y 0. So minus 4 equal to 0. So this is false statement. This is false statement. Clear now? And that's why we can't take value of a and b simultaneously 0. एक साथ में दोनों की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. At a time a or b can be 0. Done? So if a or b is 0, that linear equation in two variable will be converted into linear equation in one variable. Any linear equation in one variable can be written in the form of linear equation in two variable. Suppose this example is there, ax plus b equal to 0. So this linear equation in one variable can also be written in the form of linear equation in two variables. Here variable y is absent, so we can say that coefficient of variable y is 0. Yes, ax plus variable y is absent, so this can be written as, suppose this is ax plus b equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. If you want to write this linear equation in one variable as a linear equation in two variables, so here you have to represent variable y with coefficient 0. So it's ax plus 0y plus b equal to 0. So this is linear equation in two variable where coefficient of y is 0. So this is 0. Done? So any linear equation in one variable can be represented in the form of linear equation with two variable. Done? So this is standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now if we draw the graph of this linear equation of two variable, then graph of this equation will be always straight line. As the name is there, linear, so graph of this linear equation in two variable will be a straight line. Clear? And what is the solution of the standard form of linear equation two variable? So solution of equation is nothing but the ordered pair xy. Solution of the linear equation in two variable is nothing but the values of x and y which satisfy the given equation. The values of x and y which satisfies the given equation is known as solution of the linear equation in two variable. Now, for the linear equation in one variable, only one and one solution is there, unique solution is there, while in the case of linear equation in two variable, as there is a ordered pair, so we are getting the infinite solutions. How many solutions? There are infinite solutions. For the infinite solutions are there for linear equation in two variable. Linear equations in two variable has infinitely many solutions. We are getting the infinite values of x and y which can satisfy the given equation. What is the reason? Because the graph of this linear equation in two variable is a straight line. So straight line goes up to infinite on the both direction, and this straight line consists of infinite points. So on the line infinite points are there, so any point which lies on a graph of this straight line is nothing but the solution of that equation. So as the line has infinite points on it, and that's why any linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Clear, students? So this is the short introduction regarding linear equations in two variables. Pause the video, students. Now consider the sums based on the linear equations in two variable. So here the instruction is express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means you have to write the given equations in the standard form of linear equations in two variable, and then you have to find the values of a, b and c. What is a? Is the coefficient of variable x, b is the coefficient of variable y, and c is the constant term. Clear? So let's start with the question number 1. So here we are given 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. So first you have to write this given equation in two variable in a standard form. Standard form is equal to 0 form. So first you have to take this 9.35 bar into left hand side. So the standard form of the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Done. This is the standard form. Now compare this equation with standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we will get the values of a, b and c. A is the coefficient of variable x. So here coefficient of variable x is 2. So here value of a is 2. A equal to 2. Now b is the coefficient of y. So here coefficient of y is 3. So by comparing we are getting the value of b which is 3. Now constant term. Constant term is c where it is minus 9.35 bar. So c equal to minus 9.35 bar. This is the value of a, b and c. Clear, students? Now question number 2. So here we are given x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. So which is already in the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So directly comparing this equation with the standard form, we are getting ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first value of a is the coefficient of x which is 1. Now b is the coefficient of y. So here y is minus 1 by 5. Coefficient of y is minus 1 by 5. So it's a minus 1 by 5. C, constant term. Constant term of this equation is minus 10. This is minus 10. Clear, students? So this is how you can find the values of a, b and c. Now this one. A linear equation in two variable always in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Here constant term is on the right hand side of this equal to. Here to take this constant term on the left hand side. So it is now converted into minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. And now compare this equation with the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So by this comparison we are getting value of a, which is coefficient of x, which is minus 2. You have to consider the value along with the sign. Coefficient of y is b, so here b equal to 3. And constant term is c, so along with the sign it's a minus sign is there, so c equal to minus 6. Done. Now here it's a 7 equal to 2x. Only one variable is there, so we are taking this 7 on the right hand side, so this equation is converted into 0 equal to 2x minus 7. So here we can see that our variable y is absent. So whenever one variable is absent, we have to represent that variable in form of 0 coefficient. So it is nothing but the 2x plus 0y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the standard form. Clear? So comparing with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we are getting the value of a, which is coefficient of x, which is 2. Same, b is the coefficient of y. Here coefficient variable y is absent and we have considered coefficient as a 0. So value of b is 0. Value of b is 0 and constant term c is equal to minus 7. Constant term is minus 7. Clear, students? Now check that question. Question number 5. So here it's a 2x equal to y is there. We have to write equation in form of standard form. In standard form it's equal to 0 and 3 terms must be present on the left hand side. So here variable x is there, y is there, but constant term is absent. So for constant term what we are doing, it's a 2x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. So compare this equation with the standard form, we are getting ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So value of a is 2. Value of a is 2. Value of b is minus 1. b is coefficient of y, which is minus 1, and c equal to 0. Constant term is 0. Done. So this is how you can find the values of a, b and c. Now here it's again x equal to minus 5. So this can be written as x plus 5 equal to 0, but variable y is absent. So that is nothing but the x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. We are adding that absent variable term with 0 coefficient. It's ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing, we are getting the values of a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to 5. Clear, students? Now here, now it's very simple. 5y minus 2 equal to 0, but variable x is absent over here, so we have to add that variable with 0 coefficient. So it's a 0x, 0 into x, 0 into x means 0, so it's a 0 plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Compare it with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we're getting value of a, which is 0, value of b 5, and c equal to minus 2. Clear? Now last sum, it's a 5x minus you are taking 4 on the right hand side, so we are getting 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Compare it with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we are getting the values of a is nothing but the coefficient of x, so a equal to 5, a equal to 5. B is coefficient of y is minus 3, so we are getting b equal to minus 3, b equal to minus 3, and c is the constant term, which is minus 4, so c equal to minus 4. Done. So this is how you can write any polynomial in the standard form. That means 3 terms on the left hand side equal to 0, and by comparing that form with the standard form of linear equation 2 variables, you can find the values of a, b and c. So pause the video to note it down.